Hello, and welcome to Ethos Genesis. Today we're going to take a look at users and roles within Ethos Genesis and how to administrate those roles. So to get started, we're going to go ahead and log in. And we're using the sandbox, so we come to the default dashboard, but yours may be different. Once again, this is 100% customizable, as well as sidebar and the top bar. So to get started in the default view, or rather in the sandbox, coming up here to other, and we're going to come over here to either we can go to people, to user and roles, or we can come to permission to get to user and roles. So first thing, let's take a look at the roles themselves first. So we have out of the box, we have a few different roles that we can assign people. We have the accountant, manager, managing partner, paralegal, servicer, system administrator, and user. Now these are roles or groups, however we want to think of them, that have certain privileges or permissions rather pre-established or pre-built for these user groups. So I have a user that I've actually created just for testing. So let's go ahead and go into here to users. And I have this test user here currently that I want to assign to a role. So I can come over here and I come to manage user access. And I want to assign this user a role. So I can come over here and click on assign role. Now we have some options here. First thing we can do is we want to search for a role. So let's say they're a paralegal. Now, why is the reason this role is being assigned? Well, this is just a test. So go ahead and type that in. And now we have a few options. So first thing is this role could be a permanent role, it could be a temporary role, or it could be a scheduled role. Now, why do we have these options here? Well, first, let's say that this person is a permanent employee or this is going to be their position. As long as they work here until the dawn of time, it's a permanent role. It's never going to change. We can set that to that. Or let's say this is going to be a temporary role. Let's say that I'm going on vacation or maybe somebody was let go recently, whatever the case may be, and I need to temporarily assign them some work, or maybe they're a temporary employee. Who knows? So you can go ahead and assign them as a temporary employee or temporary role. Or let's say I know I'm going on vacation next week and I'm an accountant and I need somebody else to take over my accounting duties while I'm gone. So now I can schedule this role. I can schedule a start date and I can schedule an end date. And then we also have quick presets for I want it to last a week, a month, 3 months, or possibly even a year. For our purposes though, let's just go ahead and assign this as a permanent role. And we'll go ahead and assign the role as paralegal to this test user. And there it is. Let's say for some reason though that we need to adjust this, we can always go back in here and we can always edit, we can view, and we can even delete this role assignment. Thanks for watching. Please post any questions that you may have about assigning or administrating users within Ethos Genesis. Thank you.